Hi guys, Ann here, and today we have our BoxyCharm for September 2025. If you want to see what I got, here are my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Speaking of puppies, we have two co-hosts today. We have Miss Aura, aka Ori. I'm surprised she hasn't jumped down yet. Usually when I start talking, she jumps down. And then we have Miss Akira, aka Kiri. Nala is downstairs, per usual. So with BoxyCharm, you get I don't know why I keep holding my hands up. Well, BoxyCharm, you get 5 full-size items. This is $32 a month. And you get to choose 3 of your products. So that's pretty good because, do you remember when BoxyCharm first started, it was what, $21 a month, and you just got what you got, right? But that's when basically everybody got the same thing. And so there wasn't much of a variation except for maybe a different lipstick shade or something like that. But, or maybe like if you didn't get a lipstick, you got a mascara. See, she jumps down. But basically you got the same thing, and it's changed a lot. So let me know down below, do you like the fact that you get to choose 3 of your options, or do you rather get you just prefer whatever they give you? It's like Christmas. So in other words, do you like to know what you're getting, or do you like to be surprised? Let me know down below. Okay, so the theme for September is more is more. You got that right. Oh, okay. It's celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month, and there's limited edition mystery bags. I haven't got a limited edition Ipsy mystery bags in, my God, probably about a year or so. I might have to look into it. All right, so I'm on the Ipsy app. That way I can tell you the prices and everything else, because that is one thing I do miss about BoxyCharm, that you don't get the little card that tells you what you got and price and description and all of that. Okay, so here is a little sneak peek. Not too much, I like to tease a little bit. Okay, where I'm going to put you at? Put you right here. So the first thing that I got is from ColorWow. Oh, so this is a hair thing then. So this is your Money Mist. I never heard of this. This says it's your Luxe Light Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, I'm really excited about this. For glossy, expensive looking hair. Oh, I love stuff like this. All right, this is really weird, this packaging. Do you take this piece off? Or do you just spray? No? Okay. What's going on here? I'm scared I'm going to break this.
Much later.
Oh, okay. You just... Oh. Oh, gosh. Okay, let's see. All right, let me try again. All right, it doesn't really have a perfumey, smelly, do you ever wash your hair and you can smell it smells so good, or if somebody walks by and you could tell they just washed their hair or something like that, and it smells very nice. I don't know how to explain it. This doesn't do that, but I mean, it's a leave-in conditioner, and this is a fake ponytail, but I just want to see if you can see a difference. I guess. It took the frizziness away, I could tell you that. Look at that. And this is not a real ponytail, but look, it took the frizziness away. Okay. That is nice. I'm going to like this. All right, let me see how much this price is. I like that. Okay, so this is $29. How to use. Mist evenly throughout clean, damp hair. So make sure your hair is damp. Then comb through to distribute. I can never pronounce that word. Distribute. Oh my God. Say that 3 times. Do not rinse out. Okay, of course, because it's a leave-in conditioner. I like this. Okay. The next thing we got is from Anastasia, and this is the Lash Sculpt Lengthening. Oh, it's a lengthening and volumizing mascara. I can't remember if I ever tried this or not. Yes, I have, now that I look at the packaging. I do like this mascara. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. What is this, like $29 or something like that? So this is the wand. Yeah, I'm going to definitely use this because I do like it, because you guys know I'm a hashtag natural lash type of girl. So like today I only put, since I don't have any eyeshadow on, I just usually put mascara on the top lash, and I have 2 different mascaras on. So sometimes I use 2 to 3 depending, because I just haven't found like the perfect mascara. I haven't found it yet, you know. And also, I see so many people like opening up the mascara and showing you the wand, and then they don't use it or they put it in a giveaway. Never do that, because once you open up your mascara is only good for 3 months. So once you open it up and that oxygen already hits, that's the date. Like, so for today, I have 3 months to use it. So if I wait 2 months and just start using it, you know, then I only can use this for a month. Do you know what I'm saying? And if you're opening it up, do not put this in a giveaway, because if somebody wins a giveaway, they don't know that this opened up, and they may wait or what have you, and you had opened it up, you already set the timer, because you do not want to get an eye infection. Trust me, you know, or like bacteria and all that stuff. So, all right, that is that. You know what? Maybe I'll try it on my bottom lash. Let me try it so that way I could show you. I'll do like one and then show you like what one looks like without it. So let me do that real quick. Okay, I do not like this for my bottom lash, and I'm going to show you why. Anyway, so this has mascara on. This does not. This is only 1 coat. And I don't like it because the wand is so big that, you know, I hit my skin, and that's a personal preference. I like the Thrive Cosmetics, that wand, because it's like small and skinny, and it is perfect for my bottom lash. That's my favorite mascara for my bottom lash. But this is good for your top lash. So let me just do the other one before I forget, because I have more videos to film. All right, so we have that. I love getting mascaras. Love it, love it. Okay. The next thing I got is from Rare Beauty. I love her. She has a new like skin, I don't know what you would call it. It's like has like body lotion, body like hand lotion, has hair stuff, like a hair perfume. Do I have it right here? I don't know. I don't think I have. I think I have it in my drawer. Love it. But anywho, this is, what are you? Soft pinch. I don't know what you are. What'd you be? All right, so I guess this is a lipstick. Yes. And I just love her formula. I like this applicator, the doe foot applicator, where it goes in an angle. Love it so much. This is absolutely beautiful. It's just like a soft, like my lips, but better. Very pretty. In person, it has a little bit more of a redder tint. And I love the packaging. You know, people that have like hand issues or carpal tunnel or numbness or what have you, it's so easy just to twist it. So that's good. All right, what shade is this? Oh, this is a lip oil. Soft Pinch Tinted Lip Oil. That actually is opaque for a lip oil. This is nice. Hope, I think that's the shade name. Okay, let me look up the prices for the mascara and the tinted lip oil. Okay, so the mascara is $26, and then the lip oil from Rare Beauty is $22. This is coming up Rose Mauve in the shade Wander, but I have Hope, so I'm not sure what that is. Let me see. Hope is a nude mauve. I'm looking it up. So they had 3 colors you could have got. You could have got Wander, which is a rose mauve. You could have got Honesty, which is a nude brown. I kind of wish I would have got that. Or you could have got Hope, which is a nude mauve, which I like this as well. So, okay, I am happy. Okay, 2 more items. The next thing is from Goldfaden. This is expensive. This brand is expensive, I could tell you that. So Goldfaden MD. And what are you? Radiance Whip I think that says brightening treatment mask. Okay. Let me look that puppy up. I don't think I've ever heard of that. Hold the phone. I haven't had to get these out in a minute. This puppy is $75. Oh my goodness. Like, I know it's not that expensive. We have got like serums and different things for like $150 and all of that stuff. But this thing is so tiny and it's definitely not all the way filled. So $75. Okay. Let's see. Let me read exactly what it is and what it does. So it says this mask's rich buttery texture melts right into your skin, delivering instant hydration to help you look glowy and refreshed. Infused with peptides and hyaluronic acid, this nourishing formula is designed to support our skin's natural barrier while also helping to brighten your complexion. Okay, how to use. Smooth on an even layer to clean dry skin, leave in for 15 minutes and rinse with warm water. Or for deeper nourishment, leave on overnight and rinse off in the morning. Use 2 to 3 times per week. That's probably what I will do because, to be honest, I am so lazy. Like, once I put like my skincare on, like I'm ready for bed. I don't like doing where you put something on and then you have to wait and then wash it off because my bedroom's on the 3rd floor, right? I've shared this many, many times. I'm in the attic. So I hate going up and down the steps, right? I'm lazy. And so I'm glad you get to keep this on because that's probably what I'll do. But then I'll probably forget to rinse it off, you know? I don't know. But I'm definitely excited to give this a try and see how it works, you know? I remember when I first got into YouTube, I wanted that matte look. And now I like the dewy and, you know, I like that look. Okay. And last but not least, I got a palette. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, what are you? Pressed Pigment Palette by, Alamar Cosmetics. And she is Hispanic, so I'm glad that's in the box because, you know, it is Hispanic month, celebrating Hispanic month. So this is called Exotica. I do not have this. I didn't even know she had a new palette. The last palette I got was actually from BoxyCharm. And I want to say when Joe owned it. And how long ago was that? I even forget what it was called. It's a beautiful palette. The formula was amazing. Okay, so this is $28, and it's like a nude palette, I guess you would say. It has 8 shades. Okay, so on the back shows you like the shade names. Okay, so, this is actually really pretty. So you have a mirror. The mirror's really nice. And you have 4 shimmers and 4 mattes. So the shimmers are on top and the mattes are on the bottom. That's really pretty. We're going to do some swatches. That lip oil, like I had to like scrub it off, so that's good because usually lip oils, I don't like them too much because they don't stay on very long, you know. All right, so let's do the shimmers first. Ooh, that first one is like a duochrome. That's another duochrome. All 4 of them are duochromes. Look at that. Holy crap. I wish you could see them in person. They are stunning. Oh, wow. Okay, look. See, I film on my phone. You're not going to be able to see it. But they're very pretty. This has like, it's like a pinkish purple and it has like a gold tint. This is like gold and it has like a rose colored tint. I don't know how to explain it. This is like a pinkish red kind of, I don't know. And it has like pink shimmer in it. And then this is like a bronze with some like pink or gold shimmer. It's really pretty. Really, really is. All right, so let's do the mattes. I'm going to tell you how I don't like this. All right, hold on. Let me just swatch. Here's my thoughts. I need to swatch them yet. These two are so similar. I wish it was like a different color. This right here is very pale. It could probably to set your eyes or what have you, or to help you blend. So you really just have the 2 colors, really. there are this one you're not going to be able to see, but let me build them up, because that's this kind of formula I like, that's buildable. Yeah, very nice. See, they build really, really nice, and that's actually showing up on my pale skin, so that's pretty good. But do you see, this is like a bronzy brown, and this is like a dark brown, but it's almost like once you put it on and blend it, it's going to be almost the same color. So I don't know why that, I don't know. That's a personal preference, but the palette is gorgeous. I keep going back because you guys can see I have a different rug. And because I don't know if you follow my vlog channel, you know when I had the window AC on, it broke and the water leaked and everything else, and I threw the rug away. And it's not as big, and I have hardwood floor, so with the wheels, I keep going back. And that's everything. So let's recap everything that I received in my September BoxyCharm. So I got this palette, which I do like the palette. It's not my favorite, but I do like it. I love the shimmers. We have a Rare Beauty lip oil. We have an Anastasia mascara. We have the Goldfaden mask. And then we have the ColorWow Money Mist. And you know, I'm going to say something that's going to surprise you. I think this is probably my favorite thing. I mean, because like I said, I wear a lot of hair pieces. You know, I suffer from a type of alopecia, you know, and I wear like hair fibers and different things. But, I mean, it just took the frizz away. I like it. I do like it. All right, so that is everything. Let me know your thoughts and opinions. What did you get? Are we box twins? Let me know. Don't forget I do have my vlog channel, Just Anne's World. Thumbs up the video or thumbs it down. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really helps out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. It would mean the absolute world to me. Subscribe if you like my content and want to see more. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys.